I bet you didn't know how easy it is to transform your look with the best human hair wigs for beginners. Stay tuned to find out how you can achieve salon quality hair in minutes. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're going to talk about something that can truly transform your look and boost your confidence. Today we're diving into the fabulous world of human hair wigs, and I've got the top beginner-friendly options just for you. Whether you're new to wigs or just looking for something easy to manage, I've got you covered. Wigs can be a game changer, offering you the flexibility to switch up your style without committing to a permanent change. They're perfect for those days when you want to look your best, without spending hours on your hair. Let's get started. First up, we have the lace front wig. This wig is perfect for beginners because it creates a natural hairline, making it practically undetectable. The lace at the front allows you to part your hair in different styles, giving you versatility without the hassle. The lace front wig is also super breathable and comfortable for everyday wear. You can wear it for hours without feeling any discomfort, which is a huge plus. Plus, it's super breathable and comfortable for everyday wear. Next, let's talk about the U and V part wig. This one has a U and V-shaped opening at the front, allowing you to blend your own hair with the wig. It's great for those who want a natural look without spending hours getting ready. Just clip it in style and you're good to go. Easy peasy. The U and V part wig is fantastic for those who want to maintain a natural look while enjoying the benefits of a wig. Moving on to the full lace wig. Now this is a bit of a splurge, but totally worth it. It's made entirely of lace, which means you can part it anywhere and style it in numerous ways. Perfect for those who love experimenting with different looks. The full lace wig offers unparalleled versatility. You can create updos, braids, and any style you can think of. It's like having a blank canvas to express your creativity. And the best part, it feels incredibly natural and lightweight. You won't even feel like you're wearing a wig. Now, for the ladies who love a quick fix, let's check out the headband wig. This one is a lifesaver on busy mornings. You just slip it on like a headband and you're ready to go. No glue, no lace, just effortless beauty. It's also beginner-friendly because you don't need any special tools or skills to put it on. The headband wig is perfect for those who want a stylish look in seconds. It's great for workouts, running errands, or any time you need a quick and easy hairstyle. Lastly, we have the 360 lace wig. This wig has lace all around the perimeter, allowing you to wear high ponytails and updos without revealing the wig. It's fantastic for beginners who want styling freedom. Plus, the adjustable straps and combs make it secure and comfortable. The 360 lace wig is ideal for those who love to change up their hairstyles frequently. You can go from a sleek ponytail to a chic updo in no time. So there you have it, my top beginner-friendly human hair wigs. Remember, the key is to find a wig that fits your lifestyle and comfort level. Investing in a good quality wig can make a world of difference. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which wig you're excited to know more about. Your feedback helps me create more content that you'll love. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.